here x square. This is the most important question in this exercise, right? We need to prove 2 log x plus y equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log 5, right? I will add 2xy on both sides. 25xy plus 2xy. Can I write a square plus b square plus 2ab a plus b whole square? Can I write this as x plus 5 whole square? Here we will get 27xy, right? 27xy. Here 27xy. Now I will apply log on both sides. We can write it as 2 log x plus y, and I can simplify this as 3. Okay. Okay, we will discuss. I will write it as log 27 plus log x plus log 5 by using product rule, right? xy is equal to plus log y. We know that one. We have been discussing same concept from 1 hour, right? And then here 2 log x plus y equal to, can I write this as 3 cube x plus log 5 and 2 log x plus y equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus right. This is the proof, right? We have proved. And the next one x plus, right? Now we'll go for the next question. We will go for the next question. It is not moving. Right now, what is the 6th question? Given that log x plus y by 3 equal to 1 by 2 log, right? Right now I need to find out the value x plus y by, sorry, x by y by y plus x, right? I need to find out the value y by x, right? Now x plus y by 3 is equal to log xy whole power 1 by 2, right? Whole power 1 by 2. Now I will remove the log here, right? I will left with x plus y by 3 equal to root xy. Instead of 1 by 2 I will take root, and x plus y equal to 3 root xy, right? 3 root xy. I will squaring on both sides. X plus y whole square equal to squaring on both sides. You will left with 9xy, right? 9xy, x plus y whole square equal to 9xy. And then if you split that x plus y whole square, you will get x square y square plus 2xy equal to 9xy. Now x square plus y square equal to 9xy minus 2xy, right? X square plus y square equal to 7xy. Now divide with xy on both sides. X square by xy, y square by xy, 7xy by xy, xy cancel. Here x cancel, y cancel. X by y plus y by x equal to 7. Right? This is the proof. And the next one, seventh one. And the next one, seventh one. (2.3x) x equal to 0.23, y equal to 1000. We can equate this value to this one. We can equate this value to this one. Right now, when in the first case 2.3 power x equal to 1000, right, 2.3 power x equal to, I can write it as 10 cube, right? 10 cube. I will apply logarithm on both sides. (10 cube), right? Logarithm on 10 cube. Right now, x log 2.3 equal to 3 log 10, right? X log 2.3 equal to log, if there is no base, we will treat it as base 10, right? Log 10 to the base 10 will be 1. 3 into 1. X log 2.3 equal to 3. Right. Now look into the second case. 0.23 whole power y equal to 10 cube. I will apply log on both sides. You will get log 10 cube, right? I will apply log on both sides. I will get 10 cube, and then here I will get log by log 0.23, log 3 log 10 to the base 10 by log, can I write this as 2.3 by 10 is equal to 3 log 10 to the base 10 value is 2. Now y, I can write log 2.3 log 10 quotient rule, right? I can write y log 2.3 minus 1 log 10 to the base 10. Here also you will get y here, right? Y okay, done, is equal to 3. And now y, if you take y as common, we will left with 2.3 minus 1 equal to 3. Now look at here, y will be 3 by log 2.3 minus 1. X is here log 3 by log 2.3, and here we need to find out the value of 1 by x, 1 minus 1 by y. Look at here, 1 by x, 1 by log 1 by 3 by log 2.3 minus 1 by 3 by log 2.3 minus 1. Right now it comes to the numerator log 2.3 by 3 minus log 2.3 minus 1 by 3. I will get log 2.3 minus log 2.3 minus into minus plus 1 by 3. This will be cancelled. Answer will be 1 by 3. 1 by x minus 1 by y will be 1 by 3. That is our answer.